Off your gas valve. People always forget that. All right. Disconnect the igniter plug. Somebody hold this for me. Okay. Okay. Here's the igniter plug right here. Okay. Like I told you guys in class, it's a quick disconnect. It causes hot spot, which would shorten the life. Like I said, the furnace must be on while performing the following procedures. Proceed with caution. Okay. You're not going to blow up. You're not going to catch on fire. I promise. Turn on the electrical switch that provides power to the furnace. I already did that. Turn on the gas shut-off. That's already on. Set the system to call for heat at the thermostat. Check the voltage at the igniter plug, the female end, which feeds power to the igniter. This is what feeds power to the igniter. This one right here. It's coming from the board to supply power to it. It says, what is the voltage? We don't know yet. We're going to fire it up. AC, guys, okay? All right, now, this is not a holding clamp, okay? So, I don't know if I like these probes here. I know the furnace isn't going to light, so what I'm going to do is, you hold it for me. I can get in front of the furnace because I know it's not going to light, okay? All right. It said to insert the probes into the igniter, the female plug, okay? This is the female plug right here. Okay, what's my voltage on there, guys?
2.2.
So nothing. Where's the decimal? What's
122.4.
122 volts. Okay. So what's that telling us? There is voltage being supplied to the hot surface igniter. Now I'm going to tell you right now, guys, it's going to fail because we turn the light. It's going to recycle. It's going to fail. They're not going to turn it off. All right. 122.
Yes.
Okay.
The voltage?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Is this voltage acceptable? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Why should you check the voltage?
Make sure that we have power to the furnace.
You work in the field?
No.
Really? I'm surprised. Okay. All right. Next question. He's not answering any more. Hot surface igniter. Turn off the electrical switch to provide power to the furnace. I did. Measure the igniter resistance at the plug of the igniter. List the resistance in ohms here. Okay? So hold on to that. Do me a favor. Set that for ohms, which is the omega sign or the horseshoe.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to show you. You want to zero out your meter when you're in ohms of resistance. Okay? By doing this. How many ohms does it say that we're reading right now? Touching the two probes.
0.3.
0.3. So we need to subtract that when we measure our resistance, because our meter is off by 0.3 ohms of resistance. Okay? So, this is what we're going to do. Alright guys, we already tested the female plug, now we're going to test the male plug. The male plug is what's connected right into the unit itself. So what we're going to do is, with the power off, we're going to put one probe on one of the metal prongs inside, and then we're going to put one on the other side.
Does it matter which one?
Nope. What am I reading there, Andrew?
0.
I'm not touching the pen.
Oh, wait. Oh, it keeps going back.
Okay.
0. 57.
57, that's more like it, okay? So I'm reading 59 minus 0.3, so 59, no, it's 0.6. So 59.3 ohms of resistance. Is that good or bad?
Okay.
It is good. You are correct, yes. Determine the gas consumption, okay? What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to clock the meter. Remember you guys did that a couple weeks ago? You're only, so once you're done, you're going to plug this back in, okay? And then you're going to turn the furnace back on. Call for heat. Okay. Get back up a little. That's on.
No, it's going.
And there we go.
And it's starting to go down now.
Yep,
When it's
exactly.
turning, it turns off.
Once the flame sensors that the heat is on, it says, okay, hot surface igniter, you can turn off. Your job is done. Thank you. Okay? Watch the meter, okay? Watch the half or 0.5 dial. Times it by 0.5 again to make it 60, okay? Or a minute. Times it by 60, and then times it by 1080. Okay? You only have to do it once. You guys did it before. You're going to do it one more time for reinforcement. Right?
So
Times it by another 0.5, and then after you clock the meter for a full minute, and then you're going to times it by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour, times that by 1080, and that's going to give you your B2 input. Okay? If you forget, just